What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to teach you how to use many of the tricks in Doomspire. This is a game that requires a lot of skill, and it is a pretty old game, but they remade it, and it is honestly one of my favorite games, not gonna lie. So the first trick we're going to learn is how to jump higher. So you see that you can't really make a jump like this. It's pretty difficult. So what we're going to use is pull out your sword and jump and double click at the same time. Because watch this. See how much higher we go? Look, this is how high we normally go. And this is how high with the sword. So this one's really easy to master. I'm sure most of you guys can do this pretty easily. The next one we'll learn is wall saving. So let's say, for example, you fall off the map. You can click this wall and you can land on it. Because you can click it. Pretend there's like a giant floor right here. You can click anything there. So you can use this to save yourself. Next trick we'll do is how to bomb jump, which I'll show you. This is how you do it, which is pretty easy. So how you basically do that is you click and jump at the same time with the bomb, and you'll go really high up in the air. It's pretty easy. Next one we'll do bomb launching or fly, whatever people call it. I'm not really sure. But basically, you want to use the explosion of the bomb to launch you to a different location. So try not to be too close to the bomb. Like, distance yourself a little bit. And again, this one takes a lot of practice because you got to remember the timing and stuff like that. But once you do it, it is pretty easy. And you can also do, if you bomb launch and miss, you can wall save like that. So that is really helpful. Next trick we're going to learn is rocket boosting. Which, to do this, basically, you want to bomb launch, and then I'll show you. I'll demonstrate it, and then I'll talk about it. So see how it gave me that little extra boost right there? It's not really that helpful, but I mean, it has saved me in a few circumstances. So basically, once you are in the air, and right whenever you just barely start falling, you want to pull out your rocket and click right by your feet. And then you want to try to land on your rocket because it'll make you boost just a tiny bit more. It is pretty tough, but once you learn it, it could be useful in some circumstances. Let's try it one more time. There we go. Just gives you that extra little boost. And yeah. So the next thing that we will do is how to bounce with this, like this. So it's easiest to do this whenever you bomb jump. So simply bomb jump, pull out your slingshot tool, hold spacebar, and just keep clicking as fast as you can. And you can actually go anywhere with that. So let me go back up. Why do I always spawn at the bottom? I swear it's so annoying. So just watch what I do, guys. Now look, we can seriously go anywhere. You just gotta keep clicking fast because if you slow down, this will happen. But no, actually it still works. So yeah, this is honestly one of my favorite things to do. I love doing this in game. It's so fun, but a lot of people will think that you are hacking. I couldn't tell you how many times people have called me hacker while I utilize these tricks. But I got used to it. I don't really care anymore. But so now let's utilize all the tricks sort of like in one motion or whatever. Oh, I failed. Let's try again. Did we spawn at the bottom? Are you serious? No. Alright, let's try one more time. Shoot down, hit the rocket, wall save. Got him so bad. Shoot down, hit the rocket, bounce off it, wall save. Sometimes the bomb rolls off of here, it's really glitchy. Let's place another bomb. And yeah, that's pretty much most of the tricks in this video. There's one more thing, which let me guys show you it. This is kind of stupid. It's not really that good, but you can launch the bombs with this tool right here. And yeah, nothing really special about it. I mean, if you get really good, you might be able to like blow up somebody's base a little bit. I'm not really that good because I never really used this trick, as you guys can see. But you know, a lot of people will do that sometimes. I don't know why, but yeah. It bounced off. Okay, so let's try to do our little trick one more time. Alright, yeah guys, it's that easy. Once you master these tricks, you guys will be pro on this game. And I do wish there was like a leaderboard of some sort, so you could like see how many wins people got on this game, because I don't know, I feel like it would be more competitive, and I don't know, because I'm pretty good at this game, and yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoy, I hope you guys have learned a lot of these tricks, hope you guys are now pro at this game, and yeah guys, that's pretty much everything. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my Discord server, my Roblox fan group, and buy some fan shirts. They're pretty amazing. Definitely check them out. And yeah guys, that's pretty much everything. Hope you guys enjoyed again, and peace.